a creaky noise at the back of my car. Garage have tried to diagnose what it is. I think it's a disc brakes, but I don't think it is. The suspension, they said, looks completely fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I've checked it a few times and it's fine. So I'm going to put the phone in the back of the car so you could hear the noise. So I'll do that now, and then when I finish my journey I'll take off record, but you should hear it pretty much straight away, and it's pretty loud. Right, putting it back now. Here we go. I'm on a pretty level service, so it might get a bit quieter. It does do one driving, especially when it's on the level service. Only going 30 miles an hour at the moment, so but the slower I go the louder it does seem to be. Like even when I go 16 it sounds almost gone, but you can still hear it. So it's still there on any speed I go, but you can barely hear it on the motorway, probably because of the motorway noise anyway. But as you see, it's pretty much constant, especially when like the car starts to slow down. There's got to be no braking. You can just speed the engine and try and stop the car down, and it makes a noise. And just got to be brakes. As soon as the car lifts at the back, if I get out of the car, it will make a noise.